Cambodia is a fascinating country in Southeast Asia where ancient traditions blend with modern life. From the moment visitors arrive, they experience a unique atmosphere filled with authenticity, simplicity, and rich cultural heritage. The journey into the country offers a first glimpse of Cambodia's distinctive character and welcoming spirit. The bustling cities are full of energy and activity. Motorbikes, tuk-tuks, bicycles, and cars share busy streets lined with small shops, street food vendors, local businesses, and colorful markets. The lively urban atmosphere reflects a country that is developing rapidly while preserving its traditional way of life. Religion plays a central role in Cambodian society. Theravada Buddhism is practiced by the majority of the population, and beautiful temples can be found throughout the country. Magnificent Buddhist statues, colorful shrines, and peaceful places of worship are an important part of everyday life. Many local people visit temples regularly to pray, light incense, and make offerings for health, happiness, and good fortune. Monks dressed in bright orange robes are a familiar sight and symbolize the country's deep spiritual traditions. One of Cambodia's long-standing traditions is the Buddhist funeral ceremony, where cremation is commonly practiced. These ceremonies are conducted with great respect and dignity. According to Buddhist beliefs, death represents a transition in the cycle of life rather than an ending. Families gather to honor their loved ones and celebrate their lives while following traditions that have been passed down for generations. Alongside these ancient customs, Cambodia is home to a growing young generation embracing education, technology, and modern lifestyles while maintaining respect for their cultural roots. Local markets remain the heart of everyday life, where people shop for fresh tropical fruits, vegetables, spices, seafood, clothing, handmade crafts, and delicious street food. These vibrant markets offer visitors an authentic look at Cambodian daily life. Nature is also an important part of the Cambodian experience. In many areas, especially near temples and forested regions, monkeys can often be seen living freely in their natural habitat. Cambodia is truly a land of contrasts, where ancient traditions, spiritual beliefs, vibrant cities, friendly people, colorful markets, and tropical wildlife come together to create an unforgettable destination for travelers from around the world.